Hi, this is Bob Orr with Oral Home Improvement. First of all, thank you for taking the time to stop by. I want to take just a couple moments of your time to tell you how we can save you from hundreds of dollars to thousands of dollars legitimately off your home improvement project. Now, Oral Home Improvement specializes in roofing, all types of windows, doors, siding, trim, gutters, and stone. In fact, we have a method that we can put real stone on your home inside or out for the same price as man-made stone. But let's get back to the point. How can we save you all this money legitimately? And I use that word for a reason, which you'll soon find out. When I started this company in the early 1970s, the predominant business model of the time, which is still true to this day, because home improvement is mostly a sales team-oriented type of industry, which means that if the salespeople are going to get paid, they have to find a way to get your name on the contract the first day that they meet you. And what that means keeping the choices of products and services limited, putting you through a 2 to 3 hour intense, sometimes grueling presentation, trying to convince you that they're the only company that can solve your problems with their products or service. Then they hit you with a high price tag. If you go for it, they make a fortune. Or if you want to wait and think about it or look around for other prices, then the game begins. So what happens is they increase the pressure with the fake timelines, deadlines, phony discounts, make you think that if you don't sign right now, you're going to miss this deal forever. But you know what? I hated that concept. I wanted a business that was going to last for decades, built around return customers and referrals. And in order to do that, I had to offer services that my competitors did not want to partake in, which means color coordination teams, mix and match texture people that can come in and show you how to take certain colors and mix it with certain textures so that for the same amount of money in your budget, by the way, we were very respectful of your budget, but being able to make your house look spectacular. I had one homeowner say to me, I thought siding was just something that you pick a color and you make my house maintenance free. I didn't realize, and don't laugh when I say this, but he says, I didn't realize that you can make my house look like a palace. It's the nicest house in the street. Well, that's what we did because we loved it. I loved doing that. We were so successful that our company exploded. People were coming back to us 2 and 3 times. They were sending referrals like crazy to us. Our business grew so much in sales that the factory started to take notice of our product orders. They visit you when you get to a certain level, and they would say to us, look, we don't ever want to lose you. Now you qualify for incentives and free bonuses where you can keep these freebies, charge your homeowners, and one rep laughs says, yeah, now you go and get your nice cars, your Rolex watches, go on vacations. I said, wait. Why would I do that? I'm going to take this money and invest into the most important asset to my company, which is my homeowners, which is you. I want these people getting every dime of benefit that I can give them because it doesn't cost me anything. If I'm going to get it free, I'm going to pass it on. We did that, and I was right. Our sales grew even bigger and faster. Everybody won. Homeowners won. I won. The suppliers won. Now, here's the real magic, and I want to thank you for this. Because of my commitment to you and what I wanted to create for you, you rewarded me with an 80 to 85% word-of-mouth referral and repeat customer-based business, which is unheard of in this industry. And I sat down one day and I said, if I had to pay for the business, the generosity that I received from my homeowners, what would it have cost me? It was well over $1 million of extra marketing money that I would have had to spend to get to where I am because of you. My dear homeowner, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I will always commit to making your home look the best in your neighborhood. I will always commit to bring you the best products and services, the best installations, the best everything. Give us a try. Give us a call. Let us have that opportunity. Bob Orr with Oral Home Improvement. Thank you.